Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are finding the Poisson distribution values using Python programming language. Okay, let's discuss what is Poisson distribution. In a statistics, Poisson distribution is a probability distribution function used to show the how many times event has been occurred in a specified period of time. And the formula for Poisson distribution is P of x is equals to m raised to x e raised to minus m divided by x factorial. Here e is a Euler's number, x is a number of occurrences, x factorial is a factorial of x, m is equals to mean and is also equals to variance. We have written a Python code for Poisson distribution. We have taken an example to understand the code. The number of accidents of taxi drivers in a city follows Poisson distribution with the mean 3. Out of the 1000 taxi drivers, find approximately the number of drivers with no accidents in a year, and second, more than 3 accidents in a year. In the code from scipy.stats import Poisson. The scipy is a library of Python used for the scientific calculations. From that library we have taken a function called Poisson. We have taken a variable called a. In the variable we have put a function called poisson.pmf which takes a k value and the mu value. To finding the no accidents in a year, we have to put a k equal to 0 to find the no accidents in a year, and the given mean value will be 3. So put a mu equal to 3 and it gives the Poisson distribution value. To find out the approximate number of drivers with the no accidents in a year, we have to multiply the Poisson distribution value with 1000, so we can get the number of drivers with the no accidents in a year. And in another case, more than 3 accidents in a year. To find the more than 3 accidents in a year, we have to add all the P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, and then subtract all the P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3 value from the 1. So we can get the more than 3 accidents in a year. This process will be in the other case more than 3 accidents in a year. To find the more than 3 accidents in a year, we have to add all the P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3 values and subtract all the P of 0, 1, 2, 3 values from 1. So we can get the more than 3 accidents in a year. This process will be carried out in the code. We have taken A, B, C, D values, and with the P of 0 we put a k equal to 0. For P of 1 we put a k equal to 1. So P of 2 we put a k equal to 2. For P of 3 we put a k equal to 3, and the mu value remains same as 3. So it will all the variables gives us the Poisson distribution values. So then after giving all the Poisson distribution values, we have to add all the values and subtract all the added values by 1, so we can get the more than 3 accidents in a year. To get the approximate value of the drivers, so we have to multiply 1000 with the final answer. So we will get the number of drivers with more than 3 accidents in a year. The output of the Python code is given by the first case. We have to find the number of drivers with no accidents in a year. It will be given by 49.78. It is approximate is equal to 50. And the second case, the number of drivers with more than 3 accidents in a year, that will be 352.7, approximately 353.